Right, I'm quite excited about this, ladies and gents. You know how we like to do unique and different vehicles. This one, right, it's a turbo, RS Turbo, and not one that you have seen before. So keep tuned, and yeah, we're gonna uncover this. Woo! I'm excited. Yeah, forget about this cover. It's messed up anyway. Woo! Check that out. What a beauty, hey? Rattlesnake RS Turbo. Yeah, unfortunately, one of the neighbours decided to back up into it, being very kind of them. She needs some TLC, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do to her. We're gonna bring her back, keep her an eye out to see this at shows, y'all. Let's go show you the interior. I don't know what it looks like. I haven't seen her in a long time. Yeah, Spider-Man's decided to come visit. Whew. The good old RS Turbo smell, y'all. Jeez! Yo! Can't wait to be driving this beast! Blimey! This whole interior needs some blessings, yo. Let's pop the hood and show you underneath. Hoo hoo hoo! Yeah, buddy! Wow, it's been that long since I last saw it. Not too bad, to be fair. Spider-Man's visited it, but yeah, turbo's completely gone when I last checked it. This is gonna be an awesome project. Let me just put this down for a second. And where we got this beauty, whoops, yeah, that needs fixing. Damn, she moves, man. Yeah, no, but I want to see it moving in its own power. I've always loved RS Turbos. Who else has love for the RS Turbo, to be fair? And you'd think, no power steering, and it's this light, right, bubblicious. Let's get you in the workshop and see what we're gonna do with ya. I remember I never used to really be a big fan of Escorts, and then my brother first bought an RS Turbo or XR3i, and I just fell in love with it, and ever since I just absolutely loved like RS Turbos. So I definitely want to be doing this one, like sorting her out, man. Give her the love she needs. Definitely worth it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Right, today is the day we're gonna try start giving her some love, shall we say. We're just gonna see if it turns over and that. Right. As you all know, we just tried to start it up after a long time. Wishful thinking, but didn't see anything, so gonna try cranking it by hand. Right, we tried to start it up with the battery, and as you could all tell, it's not starting up. So what we're doing now, we're going to take the charge pipe coming off, we're going to take the plugs out and try manually turning it now. We're trying it, but yeah, it's just not really happening. So We're gonna do the old-fashioned way. Oh yeah. I'll show you the turbo after, like how bad it is. Ooh. Interesting. It's the man again himself. He's rescuing all the old motors. This is the place to come though. Right, I guess it's getting lubed up. We're gonna leave this for a few days to just let it soak in. And yeah, while that's soaking in, we may change the turbo or do the fuel pump because one of the pipes at the back needs replacing. We're just gonna let this soak in because what, 3-4 years it hasn't been undone, so we don't know how easy it's going to be. But for now, to get a bit more access to a turbo, I'm gonna remove this and remove that pipe going from there to there. Just gonna give me a little bit more extra room, you know. So yeah, we'll do it now. Wrong size, bro. That's a 6mm. I'm pretty certain that's an 8mm. Right, that's out of the way. So I'm gonna take this one out as well. Ooh. And yeah, let's just basically get things out of the way. So I'm gonna undo it from there. Undo it from there. Where's that going down to? Oh, that's the radiator. Maybe I'm gonna undo that all. There. It hasn't got water in it anyway, so what does it matter? You're not ready to see this flubbered turbo. Yo, I just discovered something. While I took this off, I noticed this isn't actually connected, but yet it's connected to the turbo. What's that all about? Maybe it's been losing water from there or something. We gotta fix this. Alright, that's the bleed valve for the turbo if you want some more boost, but yeah, we ain't worried about that. I'm a bit more concerned why nothing's connected to that. Right, there's the turbo flange. Let's see if the new turbo is identical. Oh, goodies. Turbo! Woo! I think that might be a bit big, no?
Bigger is better, isn't it?
I think so. That looks lovely. We think we might be alright. Hey, is that a straight bolt on? I hope so. That'll be lovely.
It should be.
It's gonna be fun. Boost, baby, boost.
That might be different.
To the rear, because that needs sorting out. Yeah, this is unacceptable. Hanging down like that. So yeah, I'm gonna move it from here up here or somewhere, you know, which will be a lot better. It don't look too bad down here, thankfully. Right, that small job's done now, thankfully, for the fuel pump. The fuel line's sitting so much better than before. Lovely. It's much better already, look at that. Just a little blower job. Haha! Alright, we're just gonna try turning it. We're gonna test the fuel pump now to see if it work. Fingers crossed. Come down to, we know we got a spark, we know the engine's turning. We've been testing the fuel pump. We can't hear it, we can't hear no fuel or anything going through. So temporary measures just to get it started up. Here's the fuel pump we're gonna use just to start it, just so we know that it's running. Fuel pump's in position. I don't know now, we see. Shall I try it?
Try me a few times.
Oh! Can hear the fuel pump. After 4 years, it's good to see her running. Wow, do you know what? We got lucky there. I was actually thinking, do you know what? The engine seized. But as you see, it's all running, driving, and I'm happy. So please hit that like button, share and subscribe, and wait for the next video because we're going to show you all how to change the turbo on the RS Turbo. Yeah man, oi, happy days. Woo! Peace, love, bless, and stay tuned y'all.